If you are looking for an app to help you on Instagram, today we'll be going over one that offers a handful of powerful features.
So continue watching if you want to learn more about it.
Hello everyone, we are the WindyCityTwins, and if you are new to the channel, we focus on sharing YouTube tips, social media strategy, and ways to build an online presence.
Consider subscribing right now as we aim to upload one video each week on Sundays, and watch until the end of this video so you know what our next one will be about. Let's get into the video.
The app we will be discussing is called Caption Writer. Caption Writer is available on iOS and Android, and we have provided links in the description below for you to download it. We do want to mention that there is a free version and a pro version which costs $2.99 at the time of making this video, and we will be discussing what each of them offer, starting off with the free version. The first feature that the free version offers are clean line breaks for your captions. As anyone knows who uses Instagram, it is far better to have white spaces versus having emojis, dots, or other symbols to separate your lines. It is surprising to us as beginners on Instagram that many people who have been on the platform don't seem aware of how to do this. This feature alone can help you stand out on your Instagram captions. The second feature is a character counter. For those that don't know, Instagram has a limit of 2,200 characters for captions. While many people may not reach this limit, it is still convenient to have a feature like this within the app. This is great for those that are looking to engage and build meaningful relationships with their audience versus posting an emoji or a few words that don't add any value. The third feature the app offers is a hashtag counter. Just like there is a limit for the characters each caption can have, there is also a limit for the hashtags, which is 30. We feel like the hashtag counter is impactful since it can save someone the time for manually having to count each hashtag as they craft their caption. For the fourth feature, you have the ability to save one caption draft. So if you're the type of person looking to build a caption that will go up at a later date, then it is nice to know that you can conveniently save it within the app. The fifth and final feature for the free version allows you to save one hashtag group. This is great if you are researching hashtags to pair with the caption draft you had saved. Furthermore, you can name it so you know what it is about. We will now go over what the pro version offers. The pro version offers everything in the free version. However, you have the ability to have as many caption drafts as you will need while having unlimited hashtag groups. For us, it was a no-brainer to purchase the pro version to make this video more beneficial to you, but it will also help us in the future as we post more content on Instagram. Now, you may be questioning whether you need the free version or the pro version, and we will do our best to try to help you make that decision. If you're on Instagram for purposes that aren't business related, then the free version should be sufficient. On the other hand, if you are looking to build a personal brand or target a certain niche, then having unlimited hashtag groups is going to go a long way since you want to rotate your tags. Rotating your tags means using different hashtag groups for your posts so you avoid being shadow banned. Being shadow banned means Instagram looks at you as a spammer and you'll be unable to reach the hashtags you are using for your post. Essentially, you become a ghost and unable to increase your exposure outside of your current followers. Additionally, with having the ability to save a bunch of captions, you will be able to plan and format your captions ahead of time, which will keep you consistent. Ultimately, it is up to you whether or not you think it is worth the upgrade to the pro version depending on your needs. Today we have covered 5 benefits of using Caption Writer for Instagram. With that being said, we have a quick question for you. Which of the 5 features that we mentioned would you benefit the most from? Let us know in the comments down below. We'd be very interested to know. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe right now to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll know what our next video will be about.
It will be covering an accessory we recently purchased for our GoPro, and we'll be taking it somewhere in Chicago. And remember, as we learn, you earn.
We'll see you in the next one.